Today I'll be covering a topic on the building management system, and I'll be covering this topic in the following heads, that is the introduction. Then I'll tell you about what is BMS, which is also known as building automation system. Then the characteristics of it and the structure and components that are present in the BMS. Then comes the features of it and the benefits which we get from the application of this system. Then the advantages and the disadvantages, and finally I'll conclude my topic. Firstly, in buildings we have different mechanical, electrical and other components that provides for a comfortable and a working environment for the building. In order to achieve this, we have to control these services to get the desired output from the building. Now these are basically controlled from switches or manually or electrical switches of different types. Here I would like to also tell you that 40% energy is consumed by the buildings, and it also emits 21% of the greenhouse gases in the environment, and 40% of the energy can be saved by using building automation or building management system. Now I would like to tell you what exactly BMS is. It is a computer based control system which is installed in a building to monitor the mechanical and electrical equipment of the building, lights, the power systems, the fire systems and the different security systems in a building. This system is basically incorporated in large projects, and systems that are linked through BMS represents only 40% of the energy usage of the building. If we include the lighting of the building also in the building management system, then it represents about 70% of the energy, and with the use of BMS system we can save 15 to 20% of our energy use in that building. Now this is just to show you what all features can be incorporated in the building management system. It can be the entry system, it can be the security system of the building, the fire system can be incorporated, the HVAC system of the building, the electricals, the lightings and etc. All such things can be included in the building management system. Now we come to the characteristics of BMS. BMS core functionality is to keep the climate of the building within specified range, provide lighting on the occupancy based, provide alarms in case of malfunctions to the maintenance staff, then reducing the cost of the energy of the building, cost saving. The building can be monitored from one place. These BMS are basically used in large projects such as institutes, industries and commercial places, etc. Now we come to the components of the BMS. It generally covers the hardware, the software and the control units which can be centrally controlled. Then the BMS consists of the field layer, the automated layer and the management level. Now we come to the field layer. The field layer of the building includes the switches that gives us the signal in case of malfunction to the staff for maintenance. It can be the security systems, etc. Now from the field layer the data is transferred to the automated layer, which can display this information, which can be understood by the staff and the necessary rectifications can be done. These components can be the pre-programmed microprocessors, etc. In the management level shall provide a uniform layer to all the systems which can be monitored and controlled from one place. It controls the cooling of the building, the security systems, the HVAC systems, the lightings, the fire alarms, etc. Now we come to the features of the building management system, which is the man-machine interface. The security systems, data representation is free and friendly so that it can be understood by all. Then data lodging is also done, and finally the reporting can be also is incorporated in the system, and we can generate reports as required. Now the features of building management system. The building management system interacts with the operator, and the information is easily understood by all. Building management system also prevents the unauthorized users from interacting with the systems, and the summary can also be generated, and data logging, the operation can be logged, and a summary can be generated. It can also generate and store data of the different systems, which can be utilized in the form of reports to improve the system. It also improves the life of the equipment by timely alerting the staff for repair and rectification. Now we come to the benefits of the building management system. It can be controlled from one place, increase the staff productivity, efficient monitoring and target of energy consumption, improve plant reliability and life, then effective response in case of a malfunction, saving of time and money during maintenance. Then occupancy sensors can also reduces the energy consumption of the building, and incorporation of lighting sensors can also reduce the lighting requirement of the building. There are controllers incorporated to save water and by doing rainwater harvesting. Now advantages and disadvantages of building management system. Firstly, I'll come to the advantages. High level of security and safety, simplified operations for the user and administratives, staff tracking, reduce administrative cost, and information can be delivered to all, and reports can be generated as per requirement. Then we come to the disadvantages. It increases the complexity in the system, and it has a high initial cost and the installation cost, and it needs trained staff for maintenance of this system. Now I would like to conclude that the building management system offers great visibility and energy saving. A fully integrated BMS system can incorporate 84% of the controls, 84% of the building energy consumption devices directly under its control, and the data that it produces can be utilized for better analysis and improve the quality of the building. Thank you.